Good morning, friends, and once again I welcome all of you to my English YouTube channel. As we know that we already started a lesson, Alchemy of Nature, and today we are going to wind up the lesson. Today we are going to make an end of the lesson. Therefore, without any delay, directly we are going to start same lesson from page number 39. Passage number first. We saw small bits of grass peeping through the small cracks in a concrete pavement. It left us thinking, however impossible things may look, there is always an open possibility. Now we know that the soft grass or the crop, it grows somewhere in soft soil or somewhere in a fertile soil. But it is rarely seen that a soft green grass, it comes out just from the cracks of the concrete or cement concrete. Isn't it? Means such type of thing it teaches us there is nothing hard or there is nothing impossible in the world, isn't it? Everything is possible, and same lesson it can be learned by us by using that green grass which come out from that cracks. Next is we saw a small tree bare of all leaves in the cold winter months. We thought its chapter was over, but 3 months passed, spring set in, and the tree was back to its green majesty once again. We saw a tree bare of all leaves in a cold winter month. Now, once again, a common thing or a natural thing, especially in the season of winter, isn't it? Especially the leaves of the trees, they drop on the ground, the branches they become empty, the skeletal branches only remain on the tree, and after observing that tree, we will think that the chapter, the life of this tree is completely over. But as the 3 months passed and as the new season it comes, automatically the greenery, the leaf or the small leaves, it comes on that tree, and the skeletal branches once again it becomes green. Means we should keep patience, isn't it? Now the good time, the bad time, the good patch and the bad patch, they are not the part of life. But in case suppose whenever we are in a bad patch or whenever we are in a bad condition or in a bad time, we have to wait for a long time, isn't it? By keeping patient in our mind, we have to face the problem, and by waiting for the right moment immediately, we have to grab that moment and we have to start our work for the success. Means that is an interesting lesson. It teaches by the tree and by the nature. Next is full of leaves, flowers, birds and life. But if we too have the conviction that however difficult things are right now, it will not remain so forever. Remember, these too shall pass. Isn't it? Means nothing is impossible. The same lesson again and again it coming, but it comes in front of us. Alright. Now tree is known as the sheltering place for the birds. Tree is known as the most important part of the nature, isn't it? The trees are the most important which are responsible for the rainfall. But after that month, when it turns into the greenery, once again the new chapter, the new life, it starts with the help of nature, yes, for the tree and for the birds too. And therefore, remember the bad things, the bad time that will pass surely, and once again the good time, it is ready to come in our life, and that is an interesting lesson we have to learn from the tree. म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये असं सांगतात की यस आज मी जर सुखी आहे, आज मी जर आनंदी आहे, तर तो आनंद काही क्षणापुरता असू शकतो का? कारण इथे जर आनंद आहे तर तुमच्या दरवाजेवरती दुःख देखील वाट बघून आहे किंवा दुःख देखील नॉकिंग करण्याच्या तयारीत आहे. दुःख देखील येणार, सुख देखील जाणार, पुन्हा सुख देखील येणार आणि दुःख देखील जाणार. म्हणजे दिस इज नॉट द सायकल. याला आपण म्हणू शकतो सायकल. Okay, cycle of the life. But somewhere, yes, in our bad time, we should not lose our confidence. We should not lose our heart. Just wait for the right time. Yes, the good things are ready to happen. We saw an army of ants lugging a fly which was at least 10 times the ant's size. Once again, we saw an army of ants lugging to a fly which was at least 10 times the ant's size. Very interesting thing. Now the ants looks very small, isn't it? But it teaches us, or all that ants they teach us an interesting lesson of unity and discipline, isn't it? What is the teamwork? The lesson it teaches by the ant. Whenever the insect, the dead insect, it remains somewhere on the floor, isn't it? All that ants very systematically in a disciplined way, they come in a row. At first, around that dead body of insect, they make a circle, and as they make a circle, they are ready to take the dead insect by using their small and soft feet, and they are ready to carry the same body, dead body somewhere in their hole for the purpose of their future or for the purpose of their future need. And therefore, it is a lesson of unity and discipline. It is taught by the ant and the discipline ant. Next is, the ants organized themselves around the fly, lifted it on freight feelers and carried it to quite a distance. Their teamwork and perseverance were impressive. Isn't it? Teamwork and perseverance. Once again, we should remain in a group and we should consistently do our work. Surely, the good results are waiting for us. What? If we two are consistent, organized, focused, spider webs are delicate yet very strong. Now, spider webs, isn't it? Looks very nice. Spider webs looks very soft, but they are known as very beautiful creation made by or done by the spider. And what about or what more information about that spider? That webs, they look very delicate, but they are much strong. What about the rainbow? A rainbow colors the entire sky. Isn't it? Now, this is also known as a not a magic, but this is known as the miracle of nature. Isn't it? Rainbow especially it comes in the season or in the rainy season, and as it comes, surely it gives happiness to us or it gives happiness to the people. Next is, oyster take in a grain of sand, they open up with pearl. Isn't it? The oyster, it is known as a shell. आपण पार्टी बोलू शकतो शिंपले, isn't it? As the oyster, it takes the grain, the small sack of grain inside it. Immediately, the face of that oyster it turns and it closes. Okay, as it closes, immediately or automatically, a small particle of grain they turn into the pearl, and when a pearl it becomes ready inside the shell, automatically it opens. Means a shell it closes when a particle of grain, a particle of sand it drops there, and the same shell it opens when the innumerable pearl it becomes ready. That is also known as the magic or the miracle or alchemy of nature. Next is, innumerable stars shine across the infinite skies. Clouds take blue shape with every passing moment. The wind makes it dance with the unhindered passion. Water, without hint of ego, changes its forms according to the delegate of the sun and the wind. Once again, changes its forms according to the dictates of the sun and the wind. When we see caterpillar turn into a butterfly, a flower turn into a fruit, we experience the alchemy of nature. We touch it and become gold ourselves. Raksha Baradia, please. Yes, the lesson is much more easy and very easy to understand, isn't it? Means the writer Raksha Baradia, she herself teaches us. Yes, if we want to remain strong, if we want to remain positive, if we want to motivate ourselves, we should directly go in the nature and we have to learn many more lessons. This nature is known as the most important teacher for all of us. Without nature, yes, it is not possible to survive, and therefore, yes, all that things which are mentioned here in this lesson, they are the most important for us, and with the help of them, we can understand and we can learn the new things, the new lesson in our life. We can modify our life, and we people can inspire with the help of this. In this way, we are going to make an end of this lesson, alchemy of nature. Hope you people will understand, and hope you people have already understood. Thank you and have a nice day.